back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jacelyn and welcome. For today's video, I am actually going to be styling my hair. I'm going to go ahead and wash it off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys what styling products I use. So I'm actually going to use one styling product. I usually use like 2 to 3. But when I got my Rizo cuts, Nubia suggested to use more water-based products. Not only just one product, but more water-based products, because I usually use styling creams. And for my type of hair, my textured hair, she said that it's better if I use more water-based products. That way it doesn't weigh down my curls, because my roots tend to look a little bit stringy or not so curly compared to my ends. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you guys want to see how my hair turns out, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and washed my hair, conditioned my hair, deep conditioned my hair, and then went ahead and put in my leave-in conditioner. So I just want to talk about the products that I use, just in case if you guys are going to ask about them. I'm actually trying a new brand for a shampoo and conditioner. If you guys followed me in my previous videos, you guys know that I don't shampoo my hair. I usually do a rinse with apple cider vinegar and water, or I do a co-wash. But I saw these in the store and I really wanted to try them. They're plant-based. It's from Renpure. I've tried them. I think I've tried their conditioner once. I can't remember. It was a while ago. I think it was the mint and rosemary one. But this one is a tea tree, lemon, and sage. And tea tree is really good for really cleansing your scalp. Pretty much tea tree is good for cleansing anything, really. And these are zero gluten dyes, propylene glycol. I don't know if I said that right. Sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and formaldehyde. So I really wanted to try these out, and really, and so far, I like them. So this is my first time. I really like the shampoo. I really felt like it's really getting into my scalp. It really cleanses. Lately, I feel like even when I do the apple cider vinegar rinse, my scalp still feels like it has a little bit of buildup in it. It still has a little bit of all those products that I put in my hair. So I really wanted to get a really good cleanse, and I really feel like this tea tree lemon sage shampoo did the thing. Yeah. You want to play with my hair? Okay, mama. It feels good? It feels soft? It does, right? So I went ahead and picked up the conditioner as well to pair it up, and I really like the conditioner too. I feel like it's not really, it doesn't have a lot of slip, but it has enough slip to detangle my hair, so that's a plus for me. So these two so far, I'm liking it. So the next product that I used was my deep conditioner, the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Shine Hair Mask. And I've mentioned this in one of my favorites videos, and I still use it today. One of my favorite hair masks. It is really rich and creamy, also really thick. So if you feel like your hair is really dry and damaged, it will be a really good one for dry and damaged hair. It does say moisturize and curl to find thick curly hair. My hair is it's in between, so right now it looks really thin, but when it dries it gets pretty thick. So one of my favorites, Ride or Dies, still here, and it's here to stay. So a new product that I went ahead and picked up the other day when I was in Walmart. So I like to try different products and see what works, what doesn't work, what's really good. And this is my first time trying this one. My boyfriend has tried it, and he said that he actually really likes it. He thought he wasn't going to, but when he tried it, he said he really liked it. He has 4C type of hair, really curly, coily hair. So I wanted to try it. I didn't really know the texture of it. I didn't know if it was going to be really thick or not. I mean, here it says creamy. I'm like rambling about it, and I forgot to mention the name of the product. So the name of the product is called, it's from Creme of Nature, Pure Honey, Not Away Leave-In Detangler for dry dehydrated hair. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. It has no mineral oil and no petroleum. This product I think was like $6. It was pretty cheap, and I really like how nice and soft it makes my hair feel. It was really creamy. It wasn't really heavy. It just like soaked into my hair, and I applied this when my hair was soaking wet. So far I give this a big plus. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to put on is the styling product, which is the only one I'm going to go ahead and put on my hair. It is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator for kinky, curly, and wavy textures. So it's saying it's for all textures. I've used this before and I like it. Usually when I add products in my hair, I add like 2 or 3. Usually I do a curl cream, then I do a gel, that's what this is. Sometimes I apply the oil, sometimes I don't. It just depends. So this is the only product I'm going to use. I'm not going to use a cream because, like I mentioned in the beginning, Nubia suggested that I stay away from creams and just apply more water-based products. So that's exactly what I'm going to do with this. Okay, so just like I applied the other product, I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair down the middle horizontally. If I can find my clip, Yana East, where my clip go. Alright, so yeah, I didn't part my hair down the middle for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this much, and if I feel like I'll need some more, I'll just go ahead and apply some more.
Mommy, Mom.
The method that I'm going to use is I'm going to use the denim brush to create my curls so I can get more defined curls. So I'm just going to go section by section and just curl my curls, define my curls. And just shake it. The back half. Now I'm gonna go ahead and continue the front half, and for this part I just like tilting my head forward and applying the product that way when I push it back I'll have a lot more volume, and that way I don't have a distinct part. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and use a denim brush to create my curls. So I just went ahead and finished curling my hair. Now I'm just gonna scrunch to create more curls, to really activate those curls. Scrunched enough. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my diffuser and diffuse my hair. I'll probably show a little clip of it right here just so you guys can see how I diffuse it, but I'm gonna go ahead and play it on fast forward. That way I don't bore you guys to death diffusing my hair, because it's the same way I've diffused my hair in previous videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair on, I'm gonna do very, very low heat, like shots of low heat, and then cool air is gonna be what I use the most to dry my hair because it's already nighttime and I do not go to sleep with my hair wet. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll fast forward through all this, okay? So this is how my hair looks after just diffusing it. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out a little bit and then give it a little bit more volume. Alright, so now my hair has a lot more volume. I do have a little bit of clumps in my hair, but I'm just gonna wait till it's 100% dry to break them up, so probably tomorrow. But you guys, this is how my hair looks. You guys can tell my curls are very defined, and that's with just using the denim brush and also just using one product. So, and my hair feels a very bouncy, very soft. It doesn't feel heavy like it does when I use like 3 or 4 products in my hair. So maybe I'll just start doing this more often. we'll see how it looks in like 3 or 4 days, see if it lasts or if I'm gonna have to keep putting a lot more products in. I can already tell that my hair is getting frizzy, but like I said, I don't mind the frizziness in my hair. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below, or my little face icon will pop up right there. And most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you guys don't miss out on any more of my videos. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, loves.